If you're interested in the top 5 Yogur blocks, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're in need of some high-quality Yogur accessories, look no further than the Darian Wellness Cork Yogur Blocks 2-pack. This eco-friendly set includes a pair of Yogur blocks and one Yogur strap, all made from natural cork material. The blocks measure 9x6x3 inches and weigh roughly 1.5 lbs each, providing the perfect balance and stability for your yoga practice. The strap, measuring 8 feet in length, features a secure D-ring metal buckle for a comfortable and secure grip. Not only are these Yogur props fully slip-resistant, but they are also durable enough to withstand even the toughest workouts. Their high-density cork material ensures that you won't have to worry about slipping and sliding during exercises like hot yoga. Designed with round edges, these blocks provide an easy grip for enhanced stability and balance. In addition to their functional benefits, the Darian Wellness Yogur Kit is also environmentally friendly. These blocks are made without using any plastic or harming any trees, making them a sustainable choice for eco-conscious yogis. Plus, every piece in this set is 100% natural, ensuring that they are non-toxic and BPA-free. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, the Darian Wellness Cork Yogur Blocks 2-pack will enhance your yoga or Pilates experience. Not only do they offer the support and stability you need for various poses, but they also come with a drawstring carry bag for convenient storage or travel. Invest in this eco-friendly Yogur kit and take your practice to new heights. If you're serious about your yoga practice or just starting out, the URB Yogur Block is a must-have accessory. Designed to support and enhance your poses, this latex-free EVA foam block is both soft and durable. Its non-slip surface with beveled edges ensures a secure grip, allowing you to focus on your practice without worrying about slipping or losing balance. The URB Yogur Block is portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you to yoga classes or use at home. Its sturdy construction can withstand daily use and provide the stability needed for deeper poses and increased strength. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, using this block to align and center yourself is essential. It helps maintain proper alignment, supports modifications, and deepens stretches for optimal results. To keep your URB Yogur block in top condition, simply spot clean it with mild detergent and towel or air dry. With dimensions of 9W×6HX4D and weighing only 4.6 ounces, this block is the perfect companion on your yoga journey. Elevate your practice with the URB Yogur Block and experience the benefits of enhanced stability, balance, and flexibility. Are you looking to improve your yoga stretches and perfect difficult poses? Look no further than the JBM Cork Yogur Blocks 2-pack with strap. These versatile and stylish blocks are perfect for both beginners and advanced yogis, providing the extra support and stability you need. Made with durable and slip-resistant cork material, these blocks will last you for years to come. They are also non-absorbent and easy to clean, ensuring a safe and hygienic yoga practice. With their big size and lightweight design, these blocks are perfect for meditation practices as well. And the best part, you get not just one, but 2 blocks and a yoga strap in this convenient 2-pack, giving you unbeatable value. Enhance your yoga practice with the JBM Cork Yogur Blocks 2-pack with strap today. If you're looking to enhance your yoga practice, then the URB Fit Yoga Blocks are a must-have. Made from high-density foam, these sturdy Yogur blocks provide complete support to help enhance strength, improve stability, and deepen stretches. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced yogi, these versatile blocks are perfect for all fitness levels. The pink block is moisture resistant, making it ideal for those intense Bikram sessions, while the beveled edges provide comfort and support during your practice. Each block measures 3x6x9 and is made with 100% EVA foam that is recyclable and non-toxic. The included soft cotton strap with D-rings helps elongate stretching and ensure proper posture alignment. With the URB Fit Yoga Blocks, you can take your yoga practice to the next level and achieve satisfying results. Feel free to reach out to our dedicated team if you have any questions or need assistance. Looking to take your yoga practice to the last level? The Hardawell Yogur Foam Wedge blocks are here to assist you. These special design blocks are not only perfect for yoga, but also for squatting, push-ups, physical therapy, and calf stretching. With their wedge design, they can help you avoid wrist pain and achieve a higher level of performance. Made from high-quality EVA material, these blocks are durable, lightweight, odorless, and provide just the right amount of support and comfort. But that's not all. This 5-in-1 set also includes a stretch band and 2 Yogur knee pads for an enhanced workout experience. The wedges can be easily cleaned with a wet towel and air-dried. Measuring at 9.5 x 6 x 3, they offer optimal size for various exercises. And here's the best part. Hardawell offers a lifetime warranty and 100% refund guarantee. If you encounter any issues with your Yogur wedges, simply reach out to their customer service, and they will quickly arrange a replacement or provide a full refund. So why wait? Elevate your yoga practice with the Hardawell Yogur Foam Wedge blocks today. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 Yogur blocks. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.